Hello boss, are you looking for solar energy system for commercial use? I am introducing you today our latest project in Nigeria for hotel project. This solar system, the solar panel can produce 1.2 megawatt-hour per day, and the battery bank storage 230 kilowatt-hour electricity. This one releases power during the night. Meanwhile, the diesel generator is optional as backup. All equipment will undergo performance test, load limit test, and leakage debugging test before leaving the factory to ensure the whole solar system can be put into efficient and safe operation immediately after installation. If you are interested in the solar system, please feel free to contact us. We are your win-win partner. Let's master energy together.